I think it's time we officially give the beast an upgrade. I mean, going back to the 107, we did this to the 107, but now for the Mazda 2, we're going to do it for the Mazda 2. So, let's open this bad boy up to show you what's in store. You can pick this up on eBay for £12, I did, and honestly, this is probably one of the cheapest and easiest mods you'll ever do. Other than the aerial, which we did a couple of weeks ago, so if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out after this one, of course. And here we go. In the bag still, let's take it out of the bag. And there we go. We'll take the film off it when we attach it to the vehicle, but look at that. 2-pin, so the Mazda 2s are 2-pin side lights, and they have a little push clip here, which is how you're going to get the old ones out. So first of all, I've got to determine which side is which, as they're not very helpful and don't tell you on the packet or anything. So let's determine which side's which, and then I'm going to show you how to take the old ones off and fit these bad boy new ones on. All you will need for this is the lamps of your choice and some trim tools. I mean, if you don't like the car, a screwdriver you can probably use, but if you don't want to mark the paint, trim tools all the way. So first of all, we are going to determine which side the indicator comes off by, and with a little gentle persuasion, the indicator should pop straight out, but be careful not to use too much force, as it will split the indicator, especially if it's been in there a long time. The plastic gets very brittle. Once you've got that out, then there's a connector on the back that you need to release. This connector is just a little push connector, so on the back, push it down and it should release. Now, if you've never had it off before, then what you'll find is that this connector can be very tough. So don't worry if it's difficult at first to get it off. The way I do it is I use a little trim tool and just push it ever so slightly on the top, and then that releases the clip. And there we go, just like that, the old indicator is off. And as you can see, it's a 2-pin connector, tick, and there's the push clip that you've got to get off. Now contain your excitement for a little bit, because this is important. Make sure you do not let go of the cable, because otherwise you'll end up stripping the wheel arch lining and you'll have to find where the cable has gone behind the wing. The cable is very short, so you will have to pull it ever so slightly, just so you can wedge the connector outside the vehicle. And trust me, it's like I'm speaking from bitter experience. Anyways, this is the exciting part. These are the new smoky black indicators that we are installing. Now, some of these lights don't tell you the direction of the indicator, so what you'll have to do is plug it in first, and then go inside the car, press the hazard switch, and then see which way the indicators are flashing. Once you are happy with the direction, then pop the indicators in, making sure it fits nice and firm and that there's no movement, so then it will just pop out when you're going down the road, because you don't want that, do you? And then the satisfying peel of the film on the front, and voila, you have added an extra 3 brake horsepower to your vehicle. And now you just do the same on the other side, and there we go. That is how you change your Mazda 2 DE indicators. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this change. I think it's absolutely awesome, and it makes the car look even better. And it's definitely got my seal of approval. So, a job well done.